Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn IT with Vengat. Today's video is going to be an interesting one in which I am going to discuss about how to install and configure 3.5-inch LCD monitor for Raspberry Pi. Here we go. I have connected my Raspberry Pi with power cable. Next, in the HDMI port, I have used HDMI to VGA converter. One end connected with my Raspberry Pi and the other end I have connected with the PC monitor. Here you can see it. And here I am using the USB ports. I have connected one keyboard in one port and another port connected with mouse here. The power is on. Let me check the screen. Now with the Raspberry Pi booted up for first time, so we have to configure some basic details here. Next, like country, language, time zones and all. Click next. And here we have to set the password for default Pi user account. So now I am going to give the password. Here I am choosing root. You can give any password. Next. So this is to set up that entire screen. Next. This is to choose the Wi-Fi. It is searching for the network. So here I am getting my Wi-Fi. Next. So it is to update some software. So checking for the updates now. So it is collecting the update details and it will start installing those software updates. Here you can see I have been connected with my local Wi-Fi through which the download packages and all are happening. Installation finished now. So now my system is ready. So setup is complete. Now you can see the message Raspberry Pi is now set up and ready to go. So it will ask for restart. I will give later. Now we will see about LCD screen. So this is a 3.5-inch Raspberry Pi LCD from Waveshare SpotPure. Very tiny device. Here LCD screen has pin slot through which this LCD screen could plug into RPI, Raspberry Pi GPIO pins. So this is about LCD screen. Now I am going to plug it over Raspberry Pi. Place it over the GPIO pins. Starts from pin number 1 and 2 slots. Fix it properly. Now you can see the pin slots fixed it properly here. Next, switch on the Raspberry Pi. You can see here the LCD is in widescreen, no display. By default, Raspberry Pi boot up will go to the PC monitor, not in the LCD screen. So if you look at the PC monitor here, the Raspberry Pi booted up. Now we can see the steps to change the screen to LCD. Step 1, connect Raspberry Pi to monitor and with 3.5 LCD screen. Second step, we have to make the Pi on and internet connection. And third step, we have to switch to LCD screens. Procedure starts from third step. Open the terminal. So here type sudo su, which is switching user to super user. So root user, here I am just going to copy these commands. Copy and paste it in your terminal here, and now I am going to install. Copy second statement, paste it here. This is to download the package of LCD monitor. So download complete, here done. So which is from GitHub. And third command, we have to give the permissions to that directory. So change mode is the command. So change mode -R 755, which is for user group and others, for giving the permissions like read, write and execute. Actually read, write and execute is 4 to 1, so total 7. Now we have to move to the directory. So copy that command cd lcd -so. That is the directory. So once you have given the root entered into the directory lcd -so, now I have to execute it. So /lcd35 -so is to execute the command. Now you can see that execution started. Here monitor screen boot up again, scripts started running and the screen will transfer to the LCD. So now all the scripts executed here. Now you don't have any access in this screen. If you look at your LCD screen. Now it's booted up with the display. So now you can interact with this LCD screen, even touch screen also. Terminal and browser. Now it is very easy to carry this computer anywhere because very small, and also you can use mouse and keyboard. So here I am using my mouse. You could see easily we can interact with this small LCD screen. Same like mouse, here I can use my keyboard to interact with this monitor. So now you can see in this screen you can also interact with mouse and keyboard. This monitor is fully stuck. It won't have any interaction from the user side unless you transfer it back to this screen. Now I am going to tell you that how we can transfer this small LCD screen back to the monitor screen. So for that, click the terminal, type sudo su root user. So here I have to type the command, change mode again for LCD. So enter, remove to the directory, and here I am going to execute LCD-HDMI. So I am going to transfer the screen back to the monitor. It will execute and it will restart now. Once restart, it will run the script and it will transfer the control to the monitor. Now you can see the PC monitor is booting up, and now we will get a screen back to the monitor. So here we can interact as usual. Comments given in the descriptions, you can refer it. If you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe this channel for getting more video updates. Bye bye. Thank you.